The first story in The Night Train at Deoli and Other Stories by Ruskin Bond is The Night Train at Deoli, which is also the title story of the collection. It is a poignant and deeply nostalgic tale about young love, fleeting encounters, and the bittersweet nature of human connections. The Train Journey to Dehradun. The story is narrated in the first person by a young man who, as a student, travels by train from Delhi to Dehradun during his summer vacations. Every time, the train stops briefly at a small, isolated station called Deoli, a place where nothing ever seems to happen. One summer, during one such stop, he notices a young girl selling baskets on the platform. She is pale, slender, and has dark, expressive eyes that immediately captures his attention. The silent connection. On his way back to Delhi, the narrator looks for the girl again, and this time, their eyes meet. Although they do not speak, there is an unspoken connection between them. The next time, he gathers the courage to approach her, and they exchange a few words. She speaks in a soft, sad voice, and when he buys a basket from her, their fingers briefly touch, sending a thrill through him. The girl tells him that she stays there at the station, but she does not reveal much about herself. When the train starts moving, she does not attempt to stop him or express any emotions, but he could feel a strange longingness and sadness in the air. The promise to return. The narrator becomes obsessed with the thought of the girl and waits eagerly for his next visit to Deoli. He dreams about meeting her again, knowing that he is drawn to her in a way that he cannot fully explain. However, when he finally returns, the girl is not there. He looks around and even asks about her, but no one seems to know or care about where she went. She has disappeared, as if she never existed. The harsh reality. The narrator is deeply disappointed and heartbroken. He contemplates searching for her, but he knows nothing about her life or where she might have gone. He wonders if she ever thought of him or if their encounter was as meaningful to her as it was to him. As he grows older, he realizes that some things in life are meant to remain incomplete. He knows he could go back to Deoli and search for her, but something holds him back, perhaps the fear of shattering the beauty of his memory. Love that never existed. In the end, the narrator chooses to keep his memory of the girl untouched, preserved in his heart like an unfulfilled dream. He realizes that life is full of such moments, beautiful yet fleeting, meaningful yet incomplete. Themes in the story. The beauty of fleeting moments. The story highlights how some of the most beautiful experiences in life are temporary. The narrator meets the girl, shares a silent bond with her, and then loses her forever, yet the moment remains special. Longingness and unfulfilled love. The narrator's love for the girl is pure and innocent, but it remains unfulfilled, making it even more poignant. He never gets closure, which reflects how not all love stories have happy endings. The mystery of human connections. The girl remains a mystery. Who was she? Where did she go? The story suggests that sometimes we meet people who leave a lasting impact on us, even if we never truly know them. Nostalgia and memory. The narrator holds on to the memory of the girl instead of searching for her. This highlights how some memories are more beautiful when left untouched, rather than risking the disappointment of reality. To conclude, The Night Train at Deoli is a simple yet deeply moving story that captures the essence of love, loss, and nostalgia. Ruskin Bond's evocative writing makes the reader feel the narrator's emotions, his excitement, longingness, and quiet heartbreak. It leaves us with the thought that sometimes the most unforgettable love stories are the ones that never truly begin.